Okay, the flippin' idiot here, John, your host, and I am going to move this Art Deco. I think it's a Buffay. Long. It's got the legs. The legs aren't going to fall apart because they're solid wood and they're carved. They have these I don't know, Doric or Ionic fluting. I don't remember that from my art history days. But anyways, it's time to relocate this to the space because it's too cold to work on it. So I'm going to give you a quick look at what I'm dealing with here. And as always, if you appreciate these videos, or they make you laugh, or they make you really sad, whatever it is, I can understand it all sorts of ways, because I wouldn't be going to bat for some of this furniture and storing it if I didn't think I could do something with it down the road. So if you want to see what happens over the probably coming years, have to wait till the warm season here. Please like and subscribe, and there's going to be plenty more of this if I can do it over the winter in my warm space or at my house, and in the spring there will be a lot of production, hopefully. Thanks for watching. So I was thinking, philosophically speaking, and I don't have my microphone, so I hope the audio is okay. At a certain point, it stops being furniture and it starts being a science experiment. So this was really beat up when I rescued it out of a nearby alley walking my dog. The drawers in the basement, my plan was to rebuild it. I can't remember exactly what was wrong with it. I think it just fell apart. And then the doors have clearly delaminated, and there's some delamination there. I don't know what the rest of it's going to look like here, but I need to move it to my storage space because I can't work on it here. It's too cold at this point. So it's going to go in there, and it's going to go for a ride. Okay, so what I've figured out that is if you cover furniture with cardboard, it kind of turns green underneath. But here it is covered with cardboard, and the problem is that the plastic sheeting that was supposed to protect it, I could have put new sheeting on there, but I just got lazy. I lost my optimism. But here's a good look at it. I think I can store it on this side without wrecking the veneers entirely, if that's an option. Obviously the door needs to be sandwiched back together. So I'm going to store it upright, but I'm going to put it in on that side. I just need to figure out how to get it loaded to the car without completely destroying the frame. So here's a quick overview again. It was sitting in an alley, so the veneer was shot. The waterfall is there, but clearly the black walnut finish is beat up. This side is actually pretty much what you expect from an old dresser. And then this cubby is a little swollen, and that drawer doesn't want to come out. This one's really bad. But the legs are solid, I think. A little water damage, maybe a little bit of puffing. But like I said, they're carved solid wood. It's not like the French stuff where the foot, it's that Queen Anne foot, I think, where it's glued together, and then the foot just falls apart because the glue gives up. So anyways, time to wrestle this into my vehicle and get it somewhere safe. So I'm gonna give this guy a 4. I haven't been really consistent about rating these things. Obviously it needs to have this glued and squished together. The top is shot. It needs some structural stuff. I mean, it's kind of falling apart and needed a lot of work to begin with. So the water damage just tells me, hey, if you got to paint this nice walnut finish to make it cool and get the most dollars for it, go for it and don't feel so bad. But I'll try and keep it as natural as possible. I'll probably keep this brown and then maybe just paint some of the panels. I don't know, maybe the top I'll do, and I'll try and keep this walnutty, but we'll see. Like I said, like and subscribe, and we'll see what the future brings. Okay, so we're at the space. Here's where the ramp. I made this. I hope I've really shown it. So I cut an angle here to kind of match the edge, and then I just kind of thinned it out. Here I kind of thinned it out to match the slope. I'm just going to use the cheapo Harbor Freight furniture dolly with a piece of cardboard. I thought I had the one in there available, but I don't. But that's fine. This should do it. So, and this thing, it really isn't that heavy. So Time to get moving. So there it is. I hope it clears the door. The garage door doesn't work really well, but it's on the dolly, and I don't know if I can rolling adequately. And it's ramp time. Little hiccup. All right, we got it. Here we go. Didn't have to walk it up the stairs here. And so it's run into the bike. Okay, we'll make it back to you. Okay, so I've got it parked back here. It's snuggled up next to the other guy, and I also took care of some spindles and maple flooring. Where is it? It's back there. It is. Okay, got it. The spindles and the maple flooring box. Just kind of smeared those in here, and so now I gotta run out of here. So thanks for watching my silly misadventures, and if you want to see more, like and subscribe. I have to stay really busy, so it's gonna be like more like a video blog for a while, and then I'll try to get to some more edited and produced stuff. But for anybody who wants to see the realities of furniture flipping, this is kind of how it starts. You get a bunch of furniture you think is cool, and then nobody wants it, or it's too much work, and then you find that there's better ways to make money on furniture just by getting smarter, basically, and being more a little fussier about what you get your hands on. But I love the old antique pieces, and that's how I end up in situations like this. So the hope and the dream is that next spring I'll, if not sooner, I'll be able to pull these out. I'll be able to clean them up and put them back together, or try to kind of improve on them somehow, maybe update them. So again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.